Hello, future designers, and then welcome to the final aspects of our UI. Okay, so as we started, we actually wanted to achieve this particular UI. Okay, so this is what our final product should look like. Okay, so we've been able to do this. We've done all of these, so it's left with this, which is going to be our final UI. So that said, let's preview it now. So yeah, this is what we've been able to do. So it's left with this particular UI. Okay, this side. So to do that first, let me check the size of this particular UI. So we have 498 by 776. Okay, it is a rectangle too. So 49, I think 6. Let me check again. 498 by 778 rather. 498, 778. And then let's check the rounded corner. So the rounded corner is 9. Okay, so the corners are 9. So the corner radius 9. And then we'll check the shadow property. So the shadow property here, that's the effects. We have 5 and then 20. Okay, so 5 for the y-axis. So we go to while this is selected, this shape is selected, we'll go to effects. And then I think yeah, the y is 5 and then the blur is 20. Okay, then our color is actually white, so we'll use white. You can actually drag it to this side to get a white color. Let's see what we have. Okay, that's nice. Um, and then let's look out and then let's check here. So I'm going to click here. So 144. Better still, let me do that for this side, this one. So alt 163. Okay, so I'll check 163. So I'm going to take it down. 163. Okay, so now what we'll do is we would want when the user selects any of these card views, okay, or list card views, or whatever name it is, we would want it to be to appear here where the user can actually read the full document or whatever news is provided, okay. But when the person launches the app phase, this shouldn't be empty. It should have a predefined like what's the name image, okay, and then some text, okay. So but let's say the user has launched the app, launched the website before, so and then the user selected, let's say this, okay. So all we have to do is to um let me go to Pixabay. Where's that particular image? So I think it's this image, so I'll copy it. You can use any image of your choice, okay. Let's see, okay, and then I can paste it here. If I paste here, it will take the entire distance. So what to do is to and pick a rectangle, and then I'm going to just draw here. I'll take it up, and then I'll make sure this side is also 9. So this particular corner, so I'll click here, okay, sorry, here for the radius, and I'll click here and choose 9. Okay, so we want to round in only this corner, and then this particular corner too, I'll choose what 9. Press enter. Okay, and then now I can paste my image. So paste here. Okay, now let's preview it to see what we have. Okay, but you can see there's some spacing here. So let's see the size for this. That's the width, 498. So I'll click here and then change here to add 2 to it, so 8, 498. Okay, so now we should have everything perfectly aligned. You can highlight all to make sure everything is well. Control Z. Okay, so now we just want to have some dummy text. Okay, or better so let's just type this. So I'm going to type here. So our header text, let's change it to strawberry ginger, or let's say veggies. So we can just copy this, Control C, Control V, bring it here. Okay. Have to right click to bring to front. Okay, so if it's not, I can actually right click, highlight these two, and then send to back. Okay, so now you can see it appears. Let me ungroup it. Okay, okay. So now our size here is 38 roboto board. So I'm going to change here to 38. So the size, so double click, change it to 38. Okay, and can position it here. Let's see the spacing for this 38. 34. I think 34 is fine. Let's try looking here. So 34 is fine. Now we want this dummy text. Okay. So to do that, you would need a plugin called Lorem Epson. Okay, so you would have it if you are using VS Code. You should have it like those who be coding. Okay, VS Code Lorem helps you in getting some dummy text. Okay, so plugins, and then I already have Lorem Epson. To get it, you go to find more. So you right click on your working canvas area, and then you click on plugins. You should see find more plugins, and then just type Lorem Epson. So Lorem Epson. Okay, so we want this particular one. And then click on run. Okay. Okay, so first I would have to click on the text tool and then just draw here. And then I want some dummy text. So let's say I want a paragraph. I want two paragraphs, so I click here two, and then generate the perfect amount of text to fit it. So let me just use this one. Okay. But what I can do if I want to use this option, let's see. I can let me close this. Oops. Text. Okay. Then I'll right click and then choose plugins. Go for my Lorem Epson. Okay, and then I want two paragraphs. You can decide if you want a word, if you want word synthesis or paragraph, you just choose which one you want. You can click on generate text. Okay, so it will generate some dummy text for you. Or better still, you can also use this option. So Lorem Epson. Okay, two paragraph, and then I want it to auto generate text to fit this particular text box. So now let's see the size of our text. So 16 roboto bold. So we'll do same. So highlight all 16 roboto bold, and then we can change the color. Let's just the fill color. Let's do 50%. So 50. It's okay. Okay. Let me just bring this here. Then I can just highlight all of this. Okay. So copy paste. Control C, Control V. I think these texts are okay. So let's preview it here. So there's what we have. Okay. In this space is a lot. So let me see the space in between the two. 8. Then here we have 16. Okay, so let's do 16 for this one. Okay, then I'll do same 16. Sorry. Okay, so this is what we've been able to do so far, and yeah, I think it's okay. We like it this way. You might want to change the colors, the text, probably maybe when the user, so here our user selected this, so this is what popped up. Okay. You can also decide to, when the user clicks on this, you can decide to give it a stroke. So we go to stroke. Let's say we want to give it a stroke color of, let's say this. Okay, just to suggest that the user has selected this. So all we have to do, let me increase it to like, let's say, let's do 3. So 3 is okay. Okay, so now let's preview it here. Okay, so let's say, so whichever the user selects, it will have an outline. Okay, just to show that this was selected. You can decide to do anything that you want. Okay, so thank you guys for joining today's session, and then let's see the prototyping. Okay, so if the user clicks here, let's go to prototype. Let me change this to this particular screen. Okay, and then when the user selects weather, we'll take it back to this UI. Okay, so let's refresh, and let's see what we have. Okay, so this is what I've connected them. So when I go to this, when I click on weather, it should take us to the weather page. When I click on this, it should take us to this page. Okay, so thank you guys, and then congratulations on building a news web page for your agriculture website. Okay, thank you.